Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get your API key and API secret from ConvertKit and how to integrate your ConvertKit account to AEvent. So to start, let's log into your AEvent account. And once you're already logged in from the main page, you just have to click on the drop-down arrow from the upper right-hand side. Click on Settings. And once you are on the settings page, just scroll down and then click on Advanced. From here, you'll be able to see your API key and your API secret. Click on Show to be able to see your API secret. We highly recommend that you save this information somewhere you can access easily, like a notepad or Google Sheets. Once you have this information, we can proceed to integrating your ConvertKit account to AEvent. Once you are logged into your AEvent account, from the dashboard, you just have to open the integrations page. From here, just click on the Add Integration button, and then let's look for ConvertKit. Click on the drop-down arrow, then click on Add Integration. You can label it however you want, but we highly suggest that you make it easy to identify in case you have to add another ConvertKit account in the future. Once you're satisfied, you just have to click on Connect. And as mentioned earlier, you will be prompted for your API key and API secret. Once you already have this information entered, just click on Continue. And we have successfully integrated ConvertKit to AEvent. Once successfully integrated, we have to test it to make sure that the connection is good. So let's look for ConvertKit. There you go. Click on Test. And the connection is successful between ConvertKit and AEvent. That's all for this video. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to our channel to get notified of new videos that we'll be uploading in the future. Thanks for watching.